Yo, what is up YouTube? Kill Cam, about to be on the saddle of the R6, about to go for the ride. I apologize for my absence. Your boy is back. Jenny finally made it up here to Columbia. My parents were nice enough to bring it up here after that tree limb smashed out that back window. If you guys didn't hear that story, I'll probably elaborate more on it today. But Instagram saw it first. I had a tree limb go through that back window, ruin some of the roof of the car, but insurance got it taken care of, so she's good to go. The R6 still needing to order that fairing kit. I've been so busy with work, but your boy's ready for a video. Real quick, leave it down in the comment section if you want to see videos on this car. Back in the day, I had some old school videos of I tried to do a car vlog with Jenny, so I kind of want to recreate those, make them better, redo them. I had some ideas back then, but these videos are so old and I don't even know the amount of views, maybe 200 views, something in that nature. But leave it down in the comment section if you want to see more videos on this car. But let's go for a ride today. You know when you get so busy that you don't even have enough time for your hobbies? You have a vehicle in the garage, you have a project you're working on, and it just keeps getting pushed back further and further. That is exactly what has happened to my riding time. And it seems like every time I get a day off, it'll rain or do something, but it'll be absolutely gorgeous when I'm at work. So I'll be working inside, seeing a gorgeous 65-degree weather with not a cloud in sight. And then you get a day off and you have clouds everywhere. It's just, I don't know. I've been so busy, you guys. I wish I had a cooler story to tell you guys other than I've just been working so much. But real quick, I just want to say my prayers go out to anyone affected by those storms. I know those hurricanes were pretty serious. Mexico City Beach, Panama City Beach, I know they got a lot of damage. So if any of you guys are in that area, my prayers go out to you. My parents actually in Tallahassee had a few trees down, basically covered the majority of the driveway, and the house was good and they were good, so that's all that really matters. So with all that aside, your boy is back. I'm gonna go get some gas and we're gonna go make a video, a classic kill cam video on my Yamaha R6. Oh man, it's nice to have a day off and the car's finally up here safe. I know I mentioned that the tree limb went straight through the window, and I mean straight through that window, and messed up some of the roof. It was a pretty big limb. And in Florida, your insurance actually covers your front windshield for free, but not the back. So if you guys are parked next to any big trees, make sure you're facing that tree so you can get a free windshield and not have to pay your deductible on your back window getting slammed. But all jokes aside, I'm glad that she is up here. I really missed it. And if you guys want to see videos on that, please leave it down in the comments. I really did try to make some videos back in the day, and you might have to go click on some. I'll have to go watch one to see if I even want to put the link in the description or pop the link up right here. They're so cringe. Just respect the process, you guys. What was that, 2.5 years ago? Hey, another rider. Oh, please want to ride. Please have your day off and want to ride. I need some gas, and I finally found a gas station. This one is my go-to gas station. Everyone really needs to have that go-to gas station, and I finally have mine here in Columbia. Spinks, whatever it is, right down the road. Very nice. Nice little Honda bike. I'm not even gonna act like I know which one that is, because truly I don't. I just hope you guys have been good. I apologize again for my schedule being so busy and me not being able to get to the channel. What's up, Busa? And you guys know this isn't my daily job. I have to go to work just like you do, go work your 40 hours or more, clock in, clock out. Yeah, your boy does the same thing. And when I first moved up here, I really just needed a job quick. So I'm gonna tell you guys, I don't work there anymore. I had to pick up a serving job. And for any of you guys that serve or have served before, you understand what that is, going through that. And when you need money quick, I'm not even gonna lie, you can make some quality money real fast if you're a decent server. And then you could also be a quality server and make no money. So for those of you that go to a restaurant and don't tip anything, oh man, don't go out to eat, please. Oh man, there's so many tables where you can bend over backwards, do the best you can for these people, and they're gonna tip you $2. Whether or not they love the food or hated the food or loved your service or hated your service, you're gonna get $2. So it was a great learning experience. I think I did that for about a month, and I was kind of almost getting in the loop of making some videos, and I was serving and just picking up as many shifts as possible and still trying to keep this channel alive. But now I've been at my current job. The last I spoke about jobs, I was looking for a sales job. I ended up getting a sales job. It was not with vehicles though, and your boy did pretty well this month. I'm not even gonna lie, I'm not trying to sugarcoat it. I'm patting myself on the back because it took a lot of work. There's some learning curves to sales. There really is. For those of you that just think it's car sales is easy, or they're just stealing money from you, or la-di-da-di-da, or salesmen are just haggling the whole time. That might be true, but there's a quality learning curve to that. And that is why I've been just so focused on getting my job done lately up here that I haven't even had time to really enjoy my bikes or talk to you guys. And I really regret that. A couple subscribers up here in the Columbia area actually messaged me on Instagram. You guys can always message me there that they wanted to ride, and I'm gonna hit you guys up soon now that I know that I'm generally off Thursdays and Fridays. So if that works for you guys and you're up here, I'm down to ride. I'm more than merrier to go ride. I should have hit you guys up today. I wasn't expecting the weather to clear up like it did, so I'm gonna hit you guys up. Let's aim for next Thursday. That is an open invitation. If you want to go ride, message me on Instagram at KillCamR6. Let's get a ride happening. I'm down to go explore the Columbia area. If you guys know some back roads, know some roads I don't know, which is going to be a lot, let's go ride. I don't care if I have to take the Gunner or the R6, whatever you guys have. I don't care if it's a Grom or a scooter. Let's go rip around a little bit. My girlfriend and I actually went up to the Blue Ridge Parkway in Asheville, North Carolina. Honestly, I've never seen mountains like that, and I know there's way bigger mountains, but that was cool to see. We went on a little hike, saw the road. I was just dreaming about all the bikes and how much fun I would have on the Gunner or the R6 up there, and now I've officially seen what real curves look like. So that got me so excited. I was only thinking about bikes the majority of the time when we were on those roads. And I didn't even take up Jenny up there. We took my girlfriend's car, which is still a very fun car to take up there. It was just, those roads are made for motorcycles. And for those of you that know what I'm talking about, the Blue Ridge Parkway and have been on it, I cannot wait to make a video up there. I just wanted to say thank you guys for watching this video. Please hit that subscribe button if this is the first video you've ever seen. For you OG Kill Cam subscribers, I just want to say thank you for sticking around. No more breaks. I'm going to stay consistent as much as I possibly can. I don't care if I have to wake up early before work to get a motovlog out. I will do that for you guys. So expect a video a week at least. I'm going to aim for 2, but I'm going to start at 1, and then we're going to get there. That was the last break. I apologize for you guys. I just needed to get situated from this move, and I was honestly playing catch up. So we're getting there, you guys. I just can't say thank you enough for sticking around, and enjoy the rest of your day. Kill Cam out.